Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn sharing and measuring together, step by step. When we share things equally, we divide. We'll see division as sharing and as grouping, and meet remainders and simple fractions. Sharing 12 chocolates equally among 4 friends means 12 divided by 4, 3 each, with everyone getting the same. Sometimes there's a leftover. 13 divided by 4 is 3 each with 1 leftover, the remainder. A remainder is always smaller than the number you divide by. 20 pencils packed 5 to a box need 20 divided by 5, 4 boxes. To recap, division shares or groups equally. The remainder is what's left over and is smaller than the divisor, and equal sharing leads to fractions. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.